GRD9L-W Wi-Fi RECLOSER can be matched with circuit breakers/leakage protection switches. Remote closing and breaking circuit breakers/leakage protection switches. With manual/automatic selection switch. Equipped with mechanical/electronic dual lock function. The working status is indicated by LED. Can be widely used for smart home distribution. When the product is in manual mode, can be manually closed or opened. Now switch the product to automatic mode. Open the GYA Smart app. Click to add device. Enter the Wi-Fi connected to the phone. Waiting for product addition to be completed. Enter the product control page. Remote control of product closing and opening. Timed on and off can also be set. We add a timer, set to close after 1 minute. The product will automatically close when the time is up.